Who's getting...
You up. What are you going at?
What did someone say?
He lost his nan. Burnt a hole in.
What did your nan say?
Put it back. Go wheelie bar. Who's next? Me. Right, let's push it down towards mine now.
Go down that way.
Go.
Well, boys and girls, I think that'll do for today. We've got Pullen, Stu and Boss on the tractor.
I never thought I'd get so much fun out of a little tractor. Hang on.
Need some super glue, mate.
You know what? I'll it fold.
No, what you need to do, right, is this.
Pedal!
No, look. Me digger's broke.
Oh, I see, man.
We need an engine fixing.
Oh, it's a good engine. It's still
Sam.
Oh, no. It won't work.
Fucking will.
Right, we're having
that
a
way.
seat backwards.
Rip the fucking steering wheel off then. Oh, you just sit in the front like that. Oh!
Yeah, fuck.
No, you're going to have to stick to normal tactics.
Right, we can't have a seat backwards then.
Hold on, me rod's fell. Kick the fuck off.
Just kick the car in, that mean. So he's got no... Ross with a broken back.
Hey, at least I'm not that bad with the wheelies.
Push.
Lift you.
Hang on, steering shaft's a bit
Lift
bent.
him up.
We need a bit of less diggage.
Diggage. Right.
Put your digger away for today.
You feeling lucky?
The curb.
What's a curb?
That
Are you
one.
going to hit the curb?
Yeah. Push.
Which one?
You don't know how hard that was. It's like, wow. I think we best take it back before someone gets suspicious.
What?
Go! Cane!
Hey, beat the router. Someone carry his seat.
Go!
Oh.
Ross is dead.
I'm caning it.
Okay.
No, fuck off.
Watch what you do. Pullen's
Sorry,
dead.
mate.
It's due to go.
Oh, that's a lot easier, Ross.
Like a scooter.